Hello guys, this is Indian Medico and in this video we are going to see about Datura poisoning. Datura is a delirium poison. The various species of Datura include Datura alba, which is a white flowered plant, and Datura niger, which is a deep purple flowered plant. All parts of Datura plant are poisonous, especially the seeds and fruit. This picture shows Datura alba. You can notice the white flower. This is the fruit of Datura. Now let us see about the mechanism of action of Datura. Datura contains 0.2 to 1.4% of hyoscine or scopolamine. It also contains hyoscyamine and traces of atropine. These alkaloids first stimulate higher centers of brain and then the motor centers. They eventually lead to depression and paralysis. Now let us see about the symptoms of Datura poisoning. The symptoms can be remembered by the mnemonic 8Ds, that is dryness of mouth, dysphagia or difficulty in swallowing, dilated pupils, dry hot skin, drunken gait, delirium, drowsiness, and death due to respiratory failure. Now let us see about the treatment of Datura poisoning. Physostigmine 0.5 mg can be given intravenously or intramuscularly. Pilocarpine nitrate 5 mg can be given subcutaneously. These are the various treatment options available for Datura poisoning. The postmortem appearance of Datura poisoning are similar to that of death due to asphyxia. The fatal period is 1 day and the fatal dose is 1 gram. Now let us see about the medico-legal importance of Datura poisoning. Crushed or powdered seeds or Datura extract are used by criminals to stupefy victim for robbery, rape or kidnapping. They are usually given in food or drink to travelers. Seeds of Datura are mixed with incense wood. The victim is exposed to fumes of the incense wood. This will cause lethargy and later the victim is robbed. Datura is also used as abortifacient, aphrodisiac or love philter. It is added to liquor or toddy to increase intoxication. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.